Today I will be showing you how to prepare vegetable lasagna. The ingredients required are 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 broccoli, 6 onions, 8 ripe tomatoes, 10 lasagna strips, 1 cup commercial tomato sauce, 10 cubes of Amul cheese, 50 grams of Amul butter, 15 garlic cloves finely chopped, salt, chili flakes and oregano. Let's see the preparation steps. Begin by separately tossing the chopped red and yellow bell peppers along with broccoli florets in Amul butter within a hot pan. Roast these vibrant vegetables over a high flame for 2 minutes, allowing their flavors to intensify and meld beautifully. The next step is to prepare the tomato sauce. In a large pan, melt the butter and saute garlic, onion and tomatoes. Season the mixture with salt, chili flakes, oregano and chili powder. Add the commercial tomato sauce and let the blend simmer till it thickens. Once cooled, carefully puree the mixture in a mixer to achieve a velvety tomato sauce. Boil the lasagna strips by applying butter on each strip in boiling water for 10 minutes. Remove the strips from water and keep aside. Grease a round baking dish with butter. Layer the bottom of the baking dish with lasagna strips, a portion of the freshly prepared tomato sauce, then spoon roasted vegetables and sprinkle a generous handful of shredded Amul cheese. Repeat these layers with specific ingredients and finishing with the layer of cheese on top. Bake the assembled lasagna in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes until the cheese is golden. Allow the lasagna to rest for 15 to 20 minutes briefly before slicing and serve warm.